Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, the last time you saw us unveil our brand new Bad Boy ZT 60-inch Avenger mower. This has got a 26 horsepower. We unveiled it, gave a brief little rundown of the property, just trying it out, and did great. We didn't have a lot of rain. It was really dry. Well, now we do. So today we're going to put it to the test, and you can see we've already started behind me. I'm waiting for the sun to go down because it is still like 100-degree index, but we're going to show you the comparison in the grass, the cut, and we're going to tackle this 3-acre pasture. So let's get mowing. We are going to be having the mower deck set at 4.5 inches. And as you can see in some of the places, the grass is 1 foot to 2 feet tall. So it's going to be a major test for this mower. All right, guys, well, there you have it. We have just finished cutting our 3-acre pasture, and I will tell you, man, this is a good-looking pasture. This could be somebody's front yard right here. We cut it on a diagonal angle just because the last couple times we've been cutting it vertical and horizontal, so we want to make sure that we are getting all the blades of grass, and that's what we really wanted to test today, because out here on the field, and I know it's probably not going to do it justice, but if you look at the grass, there's not a lot that are sticking up. You know, when you're mowing a field, this used to be a cow pasture, and we hope to one day have it continue to be a cow pasture. A lot of times you're going to have these sprigs of grass everywhere, but man, I'm telling you, when you've got a brand new mower, brand new blade, it truly makes a difference. So no major issues with the Bad Boy ZT Avenger. This has got 26 horsepower, so plenty of power. The 60-inch deck really made a difference when you're cutting a field this size. It really reduces the time you're spending, which is also time away from family and other projects that you need to get done. But we're gonna get this thing back up to the house, cleaned up and ready for mowing the next time. So we appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.